Velocity Xion is not just another name in the world of cutting-edge technology. It represents a bold step forward into a new era of performance, innovation, and creative expression. In a landscape crowded with gadgets and gear that all claim to redefine excellence, Velocity Xion stands out because it doesn't just promise, it delivers. It's a product, a brand, and a philosophy that has captured the imagination of creators, gamers, tech enthusiasts, and professionals alike. Whether you're tuning in for the first time or you've already witnessed the impact it's making worldwide, there's something undeniably exciting about what Velocity Xion brings to the table. When people first hear about Velocity Xion, the immediate question is often, what makes it different? At its core, Velocity Xion combines state-of-the-art engineering with user-centric design. This means that every feature has a purpose, and every performance metric has meaning. It's not about adding bells and whistles just for show, it's about enhancing real-world experience in tangible ways. From lightning-fast processing to sleek, futuristic aesthetics, Velocity Xion invites users into a premium experience that feels intuitive, powerful, and exhilarating. One of the most talked about aspects of Velocity Xion is its speed. In a world where milliseconds can define success, whether in gaming, content creation, or real-time computing, Velocity Xion sets a new standard. Users consistently report lightning-fast response times, seamless multitasking, and a remarkable ability to handle demanding workloads without lag or slowdown. This performance isn't just theoretical, it's something you can feel every time you interact with the system. It transforms ordinary tasks into something smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. But speed isn't everything. Velocity Xion also excels in versatility. It adapts effortlessly to different use cases, whether you're editing high-resolution video, compiling large data sets, running immersive games, or streaming content to an audience. Its architecture allows for scalable performance, which means it works just as well in everyday situations as it does in professional, high-intensity environments. For creators, that means you can switch from editing a video to rendering effects without missing a beat. For gamers, it translates to fluid gameplay, stunning graphics, and zero compromise on frame rates. The aesthetic design of Velocity Xion is another aspect that sparks attention. It's not designed to simply blend in, it's made to turn heads. With sleek lines, futuristic contours, and a premium build quality, the device exudes confidence. It feels like a product meant for the future, not just a tool of the present. This isn't designed for the sake of appearance, either. Every curve, every material choice has been optimized for durability, functionality, and comfort. Users often remark that the moment they see Velocity Xion, they know they're holding something special, something crafted with thought and passion. But what truly elevates Velocity Xion from being just another piece of powerful tech is its seamless integration with user needs and lifestyles. The engineers behind it didn't just focus on raw performance, they studied how modern users interact with technology. They asked fundamental questions. What do creators care about most? What frustrates gamers about their current setups? What's missing in professional tools today? By answering these questions, Velocity Xion became more than a machine. It became a partner in productivity, creativity, and entertainment. Community response has been overwhelmingly positive, and for good reason. Across social media, forums, and video platforms, users share real-world experiences that highlight how Velocity Xion makes a difference. A filmmaker praises how quickly they can edit 4K footage without waiting for long render times. A streamer talks about how effortlessly they can broadcast high-quality gameplay while maintaining peak performance. A professional developer mentions how compiling large codebases happens in a fraction of the time it used to take. These testimonials speak to something deeper, the fact that Velocity Xion doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. Yet, it's not just the performance or design that makes Velocity Xion special, it's also the ecosystem it fosters. The brand encourages users to connect, share, and grow together. Whether it's through online communities, collaborative challenges, or exclusive content drops, Velocity Xion creates a space where innovation thrives. Users aren't just customers, they're part of a movement. A movement that believes technology should be empowering, accessible, and exciting. And that's why people keep coming back, not just for the product itself, but for the experience it offers. Another dimension worth celebrating is how Velocity Xion balances power with sustainability. In an era where environmental impact matters more than ever, the creators behind Velocity Xion prioritized energy efficiency and responsible resource use without compromising on performance. This holistic approach means that users can enjoy top-tier technology while also feeling good about their ecological footprint. It's a statement that performance and responsibility can coexist, and that innovation doesn't have to cost the planet. For newcomers wondering whether Velocity Xion is worth it, the answer comes down to experience. Numbers on a spec sheet can tell one story, but the way a device feels in daily use tells another. And when users interact with Velocity Xion, the verdict is consistent: it feels powerful, reliable, and intelligent. It responds quickly, behaves predictably, and adapts to the user instead of forcing the user to adapt to it. That's where the magic lies, not just in hardware, but in harmony between technology and human interaction. Of course, no innovation is without curiosity and questions. People ask about future iterations, upgrades, and new features. They speculate about what Velocity Xion could become as technology continues to evolve. And that's part of the excitement, where this journey might lead next. Will there be more connectivity options? Faster processing speeds? Even deeper integration with AI and smart platforms? The possibilities are immense. But even as the future unfolds, Velocity Xion's current achievements stand strong on their own. For creators looking to elevate their work, gamers aiming for next-level performance, and professionals needing reliable tools, Velocity Xion represents a powerful choice. It's not just about speed or design, it's about the experience that ties everything together. It's about ensuring that when you reach for your device, you're met not with frustration or limitation, but with capability and confidence. That's the real impact of Velocity Xion. In a world where technology evolves at breakneck speed, Velocity Xion sets a standard that others will undoubtedly follow. It reminds us that innovation isn't just about packing in features, it's about listening to users, solving real problems, and creating something that feels both modern and timeless. Whether you're watching this on YouTube, considering a purchase, or simply curious about what makes Velocity Xion unique, one thing is clear: this isn't just tech for the sake of tech. It's a step forward, and an exciting one. For those ready to explore what Velocity Xion has to offer, the journey starts now.